What if Earth was as big as the sun? Trees are falling. Ecosystems are collapsing. Infrastructure is crumbling. Crops are failing. Water is running out. Earth is slowly turning into a dead planet. On the bright side, there's never been a better time to buy property. But who is thinking about real estate when you can't leave your home, can't get out of bed, or can't even breathe? Welcome to Beyond the Maybe, where curiosity goes further than certainty. Everyone knows the sun is big. I mean, just look at it. And that's how massive it appears from about 150 million kilometers away. Now imagine standing next to it. Actually don't. The sun makes up 98% of the total mass of our entire solar system. And compared to the densest planet we know, our own Earth, the sun is over 1 million times more massive. So what if Earth were the same size as the sun? At first glance, it might sound promising. Our planet's surface would stretch outward. Continents would expand. Overcrowded cities might finally have room to breathe. Owning land could actually become affordable. But that relief wouldn't last long. Every lake, river, and ocean would now have far more surface area to cover. Water would spread thin. Seas would become shallow. Evaporation would accelerate. And marine life would suffer first. Shall our oceans heat up faster, putting cold water species at risk of extinction? As water sources disappear, land animals would be forced to migrate farther or die trying. Humans wouldn't fare much better. Fresh water would become scarce. Food production would drop. And competition over resources would quickly turn violent. Crops need deep, nutrient-rich soil to survive, but on a sun-sized Earth, that same soil would be spread far too thin. Less soil means less food. But the demand, that stays exactly the same. And there's a much bigger problem we haven't even touched yet. Because if Earth were the same size as the sun, what if it also had the same mass? At that point, survival wouldn't just be difficult. It would be impossible. Gravity on Earth would be 28 times stronger than it is now. We'll talk about what that does to you in a moment, but first, the bigger picture. The solar system works the way it does because the sun's immense gravity keeps the planets locked in orbit. But now Earth and the sun would each hold almost half of the system's total mass. Would they orbit each other in some kind of cosmic rivalry? What would happen to the other planets? And would Earth's stronger gravity pull in more asteroids? Asteroids would be the least of our worries. Satellites would fall from the sky. Buildings and bridges would collapse under their own weight. Only short, thick trees close to the ground might survive. You, on the other hand, wouldn't be going anywhere. If you weigh 50 kilograms today on a sun-sized Earth, it would feel like weighing 1,400 kilograms. Walking would be impossible. Standing would be unbearable. You'd be crushed by your own body. And here's the cruel twist. As gravity increases, time slows down. So yes, you might live longer, but that longer life would be spent unable to move, lying still under crushing weight. Luckily, this is where we wake up. Earth will never be as big as the sun. In fact, it's slowly getting smaller. Our atmosphere leaks, and every day hundreds of tons of mass escape into space. So take a deep breath. Be glad it's that easy. Because when it comes to reality, messing with proportions is dangerous. And bigger definitely doesn't always mean better. But that raises another question. What would life be like if the sun were smaller than the Earth? Well, that's a story for Beyond the Maybe.